All right, today we're going to take a look at this little step that I installed on the rear of my 2022 Ram 2500. So, seems to be a pretty sturdy little step. Let me actually get up underneath this thing and see if we can figure out. So there's the step. And you can kind of see those two silver bolts. So I guess my one complaint would be the instructions, and they really don't address this big giant electrical connector, which I did have to disconnect and pull away from that frame piece just to get this thing to fit up in there. So that was a little bit of a chore. The rest of the installation was pretty simple. So just to kind of show you how this thing works, it just really pushes more back than down, and yeah, it definitely will support your weight, and it sits pretty nicely, and then all you're doing is kicking it back up into place. So yeah, you can use your foot to put it down, and you're just going to pop it back in.